Welcome back to my channel. Today on the menu is cast iron skillet cornbread. To learn how I made this, keep watching. Here are my ingredients that I'll be using: granulated sugar, yellow cornmeal, eggs, butter, self-rising flour, table salt, and almond milk. You can substitute the almond milk for whole milk if you prefer. First, you want to start by melting your butter. Just like you see here, I'm using this 12.5-inch cast iron skillet. You want to melt that butter on low heat, okay? This is killing two birds with one stone. Get it melted, and now let's work on the other ingredients. You're gonna add all of those dry ingredients to a large mixing bowl, and you're gonna mix that well to combine. Also remember, all of the ingredients and measurements will be listed down below in my description box. So now after you have mixed all of those dry ingredients, now we're gonna add the wet ingredients to the mix. We're gonna add it to the mix. We're gonna add it to the mix, just like you see here. And do not worry about over mixing. We are not making pancakes. Mix, 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 mix it well. Now, as you can see, I have not added in the butter yet because the butter was still melting. The butter was still melting in the skillet, so I had to work with what I had that was ready to be mixed. But now I'm gonna add the butter to the rest of the ingredients, and you want to make sure that you reserve a small amount in the skillet, and then you want to mix it up real well. Make sure that you mix it up really well. Make sure all of those ingredients are well incorporated together. Make sure they're well incorporated together. So now we are almost at the finish line. Look, I bet you didn't think that making cornbread would be like just as easy. So now you want to go ahead and pour all of that batter into your cast iron skillet, or if you are using a regular glass baking dish or a pie pan, pour it in there. You're going to pop this inside of a preheated 425-degree oven for 30 minutes, and look at that. Look. This cornbread was so delicious, and I'm gonna go ahead and cut this open, let you take a look inside. This was so simple and so easy to make. So look, this is just a part one to this video, because I just know you didn't think like I just came here to show you how to make cornbread. Like, that's it. Hello, no. No. So make sure that you set that notification so that you won't miss when I upload my next video, where I'm going to show you what I like to pair my cornbread with. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I will catch you in my next video.